Yo, what's up guys? So this is our day 36 out of 365. So today's run medyo maambon, pero takbo tayo ng 3K, easy 3K or fastest 3K ulit. Kasi Huawei plan natin is test run. Na susubukin ang ating endurance pagdating sa mga weather na medyo maambon. Pero let's go, let's try, let's run. Run for your life. Yeah, let's go. 1K 453, 2K 534, 3K 530. So that's our day 36 out of 365. So natapos natin yung 3K test run natin na kahit tumuulan at tumaambon, masubukan na nating lakas. Pero hanggang dito lang ang lakas ko sa ngayon. Ayan. So effective naman gamitin tong Flame 361, Flame 3.5 sa rainy weather. Makapit siya and hindi madulas. So ayan, gusto nyo ng all around na carbon plated shoes, buy this now. Invest kayo sa 361 Flame 3.5. Let's go. So I'm just always saying, be healthy, be wealthy, stay active, always run for your life. Let's go.